Welcome to How to Doer. Yes, welcome to How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about this Amazon Basics keyboard mouse, that how we can easily connect this with our laptop. That is our laptop. That how you can easily do so. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do and what the process. First of all, keep in mind that it has a USB dongle tool so that you can connect via that too, and it has a Bluetooth functionality, and it has too, so that you can easily connect via the Bluetooth functionality too. So how you want to do, let's watch the video till the end and learn how to set up or connect this Amazon Basics keyboard mouse with your laptop or computer.
First of all, what we have to do, we have to switch it on from over here. As you can check out, this is on and off button. After that, your mobile mouse is over here. If you want to connect it with the dongle, you can move it on dongle side, or if you want to connect with the Bluetooth, you can move to the Bluetooth side. And you will find a USB receiver over here, that is this one. You can use this on your laptop, and your keyboard and mouse will be connected to your laptop and computer. But if you want to do this via the Bluetooth, then what we have to do, first of all, press this FN key and click on this Windows button, as you can check out in front of you. After that, it's just get into the Windows version. Now we have to press and hold this FN button, and we have to press and hold 1, 2 or 3, any key from these are Bluetooth buttons, and this is for 2.4Z USB dongle. Now I am using this Bluetooth one, clicking on this and holding this for few seconds, and as you can check out, it started blinking. Now what we have to do, we have to go to start and type Bluetooth over there. This is this one, we can click on that. But if we want to go from over here, we can go to this arrow button over here and go to this Bluetooth option. Via this Bluetooth option we can go, oh sorry, where it's gone, I just misplaced it. And after that you will find this option. From there we have to click on this add a device, and after that we have to choose this keyboard and other Bluetooth devices. Click on that and it will start searching, and these are the keyboard details. This one for setting up mouse, and you have to click on that, and both will start connecting. And now these are connected, connecting, and this one is also connecting. Then keyboard and mouse will be connected to your laptop or computer. Subscribe.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for getting more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do.